things which can leave my agricultural badge with a humble, patient and confident personality.
With my teammates and that's it. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Anamika Tiwari. I am from Varanasi. I have completed my class 12 in 2019 from St. John's School, Delapur, Varanasi with PCB stream. My hobby is dancing. I should become Miss Fresher because I am a confident, well-mannered and a passionate girl. I can lead the class very well and I can handle boys as well. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Myself, Aryan Singh from Varanasi and my hobby is styling. I should deserve Mr. Fresher because I have excellent leadership quality and presence that will be beneficial for my batchmates. Thank you to all of you.
Good evening to all present here. First of all, thank you for giving me an honorable opportunity to introduce myself. I am Rakshita from Bhavnath Bandhan. I have completed my 12th from Chandrapur School, Mau with PCB stream. My hobbies are singing and dancing. I deserve to become Miss Fresher because I am confident, disciplined and passionate about the thing I am interested in apart from having leadership quality. And I am social also, which will help me to maintain a good and healthy relationship between my batchmates and seniors. Thank you.
Good evening to every teacher and sir present over here. My name is Ayush Patel. I am from Varanasi and my hobbies are playing football, reading books and art and craft. And I want to become Mr. Fresher because I think I have many qualities which a Mr. Fresher should have, like good communication skills, presence of mind, etc. Thank you.
Good evening to one and all present here. First of all, thank you for having me here. I am Rashida Shubhankara. I am from Gorakhpur and I have completed my intermediate from Vimla Bharati School, Kolkata, West Bengal. I like to dance and make comedy videos. First of all, talking about my skills, I am not a bossy leader. I am not superior. I have no pride. It's just that I am like you. I have sportsmanship qualities which makes me look forward to become the Miss Fresher so that we all together can face the new adventures in the upcoming years of life more enjoyfully. Thanks so much.
Good evening everyone. My name is Bhupen Misra from district Sitapur. My hobby is singing and playing cricket. I want to become too motivational, too interior to my total batchmate. Thank you, sir.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Vandana Malaysia. I am from Gorakhpur. I have completed my intermediate from Janta Intermediate College with PCB stream. My hobbies are singing and dancing. Thank you so much.
Good evening to everyone. Myself Saurabh Rai from Varanasi and my hobby is dancing and kabaddi. And thank you to giving me this opportunity to introducing myself. And I want to be Mr. Fresher because I have kind nature and other people are. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. मेरा नाम अंजलि शर्मा है. मैं सुल्तानपुर की निवासी हूँ. मेरी आदतें हैं नृत्य करना. मैं मिस फ्रेशर इसलिए बनना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मैं बहुत धैर्यवान, आत्मविश्वासी हूँ और मैं दूसरों की मदद करना अपना उत्तरदायित्व मानती हूँ. धन्यवाद.
बनना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि मैं अपने सभी क्लासमेट को एक साथ कर सकता हूँ और उनका नेतृत्व कर सकता हूँ.
Good evening everyone. My name is Anushka. I am from Bareilly. My hobby is singing. I deserve the Miss Freshers title because apart from having the leadership qualities, a bit manipulative, but in a positive way. I wholeheartedly follow one code, that is, be the change you want to see. Adding to this, I am very much patient and I do not regret my decisions. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Myself Ashish Tiwari from Sultanpur. My hobby is singing and I should deserve Mr. Fresher because I can coordinate with the whole team and make better relationship between them. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Riya Singh. I am from Varanasi. I have accomplished my intermediate from Army Public School and my hobbies are singing and film convention. I think I am capable of becoming less fresher because I have good management skills and have leadership qualities. Also, I can accomplish the given tasks sincerely. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. Myself Komal Kumar. I am from Sabulpur Khiri. My hobbies are dancing and sketching. I deserve Mr. Fresher because I am very creative and confident. I can keep unity among my batchmates with good understanding. Thank you to all of you.
Good evening to one and all present here. My name is Adresha Singh. I hail from Varanasi. I passed my class 12 from Sangeet Bhagwan in 2021. My hobby is dancing. I want to become Miss Fresher as it will help me enhance my leading quality as well as my overall personality. Thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone. Myself Arunada from district Radhabad and my hobby is writing and part and singing. And I deserve Mr. Fresher award because I think I have potential to speak everyone and all I feel and I have also a leadership quality. So thank you so much.
Good evening to one and all present here. I am glad to introduce myself. My name is Anjali Mishra. I am from Varanasi. I have completed my class 12 from Satyagrah Convent School. And my hobbies are dancing and cooking. I want to become Miss Fresher because I am a confident girl, a good listener, and have ability to reflect my passion. Thank you.
जोरदार तालियों के साथ इनका उत्साह बढ़ाने का है। हमारा दूसरा लेवल है रैंप वॉक। ये कोई साधारण या फिर फैशन रैंप वॉक नहीं है। इसके अंतर्गत हमारे फ्रेशर्स हमारे ANDVT की इंट्रोड्यूस वैरायटीज को हम सबके सामने प्रस्तुत करेंगे। ज्यादा समय ना लेते हुए लेवल 2 की शुरुआत करते हैं।
हमारे विश्वविद्यालय गुड इवनिंग सर। या प्रजात हमारे विश्वविद्यालय जो है निकाली गई है 1975। या वैरायटी जो है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन करती है, जिसका उत्पादन 50 से 60 क्विंटल प्रति हेक्टेयर है और यह वैरायटी गेहूं के गिरवी रोग के प्रति प्रतिरोधी है। धन्यवाद।
गुड इवनिंग सर, माय नेम इज अंजलि शर्मा। यह नरेश शिवानी है। यह लौकी की प्रजाति है जिसका वनस्पतिक नाम लेजिनेरिया शिशेरिया है। यह कुकर विदेशी कुल से संबंधित है। यह आचार्य नरेंद्र कृषि एवं प्रौद्योगिकी विश्वविद्यालय सन 2007 में डॉक्टर सीजो पूजन जी द्वारा निकाली गई थी। इसकी मुख्य विशेषता यह है कि यह अन्य लौकियों की अपेक्षा बहुत बड़ी होती है। धन्यवाद।
Good evening sir, my name is Ayush Patel. I would like to speak on a rice variety which is Narendra 359 or NDR 359. It is developed by Dr. T.R. Verma sir, a research scientist of our university in 1993. Its yield is near about 60 to 65 quintal per hectare and its grain type is medium and fine. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Risha Kumari. I am glad to represent the variety of cauliflower, Narendra Gopi 1. Its botanical name is Brassica oleracea and its variety is Botrytis. And it belongs to Brassicaceae family. It contains many nutrients and also reduces the risk of many diseases like heart disease and cancer. Thank you for everyone.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। ये जो मक्का की वैरायटी है शक्तिमान 1, जो कि मक्का की एक संकुल प्रजाति है। इसका जो प्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छा होता है और ये हमारे यहाँ जो है ये अपने विश्वविद्यालय से विकसित की गई है, एनडीयू यूनिवर्सिटी से विकसित की गई है। इसका जो प्रोडक्शन देखा गया है 70 से 80 क्विंटल प्रति हेक्टेयर होता है। थैंक यू सर।
Good evening everyone, my name is Anushka. The variety that I am presenting is Narendra vegetable pea 5, which is a very well known variety of pea that is Phytum sativum. It belongs to the family Leguminosae. The chromosome number is 2n, that is 14. I have chosen this variety because it gives a very good surplus produce of 6 to 7 seeds per pod. It is also resistant to powdery mildew and rust. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My variety is Jute Reshma. This variety is developed in our university in 1995. It has very strong and golden, shiny fibers. Its botanical name is Corporus capillaris and its family is Aracaceae. Thank you.
Good evening to one and all. My name is Anamika Tiwari. I am here with Narendra Bale 7. Its common name is Bale or Bilwa. Its English name is stone apple. Its scientific name is Eagle marmelos. Its family is Rotaceae. I have chosen this crop because my father is a diabetic patient and I know the consequences of diabetes. It is very helpful for diabetic patient. It also helps to reduce peptic ulcer and it is very good for digestion. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, myself Aryan Singh that introduced this is Narendra Sanaivan. It was developed in 2003 from our university. Its family name is Rattlepods. Its variety is specialized from produce more number and weight of root nodules in per plant. Thank you to all of you.
Good evening everyone present here. My name is Harshita. I am glad to present the NA4 variety of Amla, also known as Krishna. Its common name is Indian gooseberries or Amritfal. Scientific name is Ambrica officinalis. Belongs to family Euphorbiaceae. It is moderate size variety. Plus, its speciality is it was produced by chance seedling of Chakya variety of Amla and produces immense amount of pulp, that is 785 mg per 100 gram of fruit. It is also rich in antioxidant plus vitamin C. It cures various diseases like scurvy and many more and reduces hair fall. Thank you.
Again, good evening to all of you. This is me, Vanna here. I am going to introduce the significance of paddy variety, which is known as Satchu52. Its botanical name is Oryza sativum, which belongs to family Poaceae. Due to its high productivity, resulting in good economic output to the farmer, that's why I choose this crop. Thank you so much.
Good evening to one and all present here. I am Rashida Srivastava. I represent tomato, also known as Lycopersicum esculentum. The variety I carry here is Narain tomato 2 because it is different from another tomato because it is tolerant to TLCV, long distance shipping and uniformity in the fruit size. Now secondly, I chose this crop because it has lycopene, which is rich in antioxidant, as simply due to my appearance because I look like tomato and we both look so tired. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I have chosen Naren Abhushan, a variety of pumpkin, and it is developed by our university in 2005 and its scientific name is Cucurbita moschata, and its specific feature is that it is field resistant to curcumus virus F1. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Riya Singh and my crop name is Narendra Sarso 2. Its scientific name is Brassica juncea, which belongs to family Brassicaceae. I have chosen this crop because medicinal uses are tremendous. cures arthritis, rheumatism, and prevent cardiovascular problems. Thank you.
Speaking to all of you, this is Narendra Base Lesson 1. It was developed in 2004 from our university. It is used from liver disease and ulcer, stress ulcer. That excellent quality and big size fruit. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Anvesha Singh, and the crop I have selected is Narendra Brinjal 1. Its scientific name is Solana melanoma. It's a warm weather crop, mostly cultivated in tropical and subtropical regions of the world. It's a high fiber, low calories food with lots of health benefits, from reducing the risk of heart diseases to helping in control of blood sugar level. Thank you, everyone.
Good evening, everyone. I am going to present a variety of sweet potato which is developed in our beautiful university. It is Narendra Shakarkand line. It is developed in 2001 and its highly beneficial use is it's also cholesterol free and it has low potassium content and sodium content. Thank you so much.
Good evening to one and all. My name is Anjali Mishra and the crop I have chosen is Narendra Turmeric 3. Narendra Turmeric 3 is a new multiple disease resistant and high yield variety of Curcuma longa. On the basis of its growth and performance in the field, it is a superior variety. It has a good size, higher aroma and moderately resistant to leaf blotches and leaf spot. Thank you.